Hello kids, today we are going to learn about colors and alphabets from A to Z. So let's begin. This is pink color, green color, black color. This is sky blue color, brown color, yellow color, and this is red color. Orange color. A for aircraft. Sky blue color. B for bat. Yellow color. C for chocolate. Green color. D for duck. Brown color. E for ear. Pink color. F for fan. Black color. G for garage. Orange color. H for house. Sky blue color. I for ice cream. Yellow color. J for jackpot. Green color. K for king. Brown color. L for lion. Pink color. M for monkey. Black color. N for nest. Orange color. O for owl. Sky blue color. P for pink. Yellow color. Q for queen. Green color. R for rabbit. Brown color. S for sunflower. Pink color. T for tiger. Black color. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for violin. Sky blue color. W for watch. Yellow color. X for xylophone. Green color. Y for yo-yo. Brown color. Z for zebra. We will repeat once again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye kids. Thank you for watching the video. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button. Do share it with your friends. Bye bye.